Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. As the debate on border taxes intensify, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke is adding his voice to the conversation. Dr. Clarke was speaking at Mayberry's virtual investor forum yesterday. Growing discontent among businesses and consumers with border taxes at the center of the controversy. Businesses argue that it's costing too much to import needed equipment for their operations, while consumers complain that the custom fee on non-taxable personal imports is too low. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke now adding to the conversation. He explained that the solution is not a simple one.
Our border revenue represents 30%, 40% of our overall tax revenue that we derive at the border. So until we can derive revenue from other sources, the ability to completely and dramatically change how revenue is collected at the border remains stymied.
With regards to the customs fee on non-taxable personal imports, Dr. Clarke admitted that his greatest concern is the financial threat it poses for wholesale and retail industries.
It's the largest part of the economy, and I cannot make a move that destroys that sector just like that, right? Because people are gravitating towards e-commerce. We have to be mindful that the retail space represents the largest part of the Jamaican economy, the largest. And any move we make has to be a move that preserves retail as a viable business in Jamaica.
Dr. Clarke disclosed that he has a team exploring possible options to appease Jamaicans. He also vowed to make further announcements on border taxes soon.
We're looking at it, and I give you my commitment that you'll hear me speak about it definitively in the not too distant future. But I need to look at it holistically and looking at all avenues of it, which is my fiduciary obligation to all the people of Jamaica.
Last year, thousands of Jamaicans signed a petition to increase the threshold on the importation of personal items from $50 to $100. Currently, personal items that are valued at $50 or less do not attract a customs fee. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $145.96. The Canadian dollar is selling for $116.64. The pound sterling sells for $201.29, while the euro is going for $179.41. And the JSE index lost 1,563 points today, while the junior market index gained 14 points. Among the winners were Lumber Depot, Key Insurance, Berger Paints, QWI Investments, and 138 Student Living. Now on the losing side were JMMB Group 7.5%, Paramount Trading, First Rock, US dollar shares, 1834 Investments, and Epley. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.